Hey, I'm JR here in the Kicker booth at CES 2020, and Kicker has a whole new setup of Key products. You may remember from years past, they introduced a system that is an aftermarket amplifier to take a factory system and make it sound better, the Kicker Key. I got to hear it in a car. These are all new Key products, which means they're designed to help you get aftermarket gear installed with factory systems, which is increasingly more common in cars these days. We'll start here with the KEYLoc, or line output converter. When you go to install an amp and speakers into a factory radio in a car these days, a lot of times you're dealing with an output from the radio that has been EQ'd, or it has been time aligned, or they've removed all the bass out of that original music because their factory speakers couldn't handle it. The KEYLoc fixes all of that. It takes the output from the factory radio, flattens out the EQ, brings the bass back, and turns it into pristine audio that you can output that to any amplifier. It's not only for Kicker amps, it's for any amplifier. So in addition to that, we've got the Key 200.4, same amp as last time with the 180.4, except it's a little bit more power, and the Kicker Key 500.1. This is the same concept. You're going to connect this to the sub output of many factory stereos and use it to power a much better aftermarket subwoofer. In fact, it is perfectly matched for all of the Kicker custom subs. So if you have a car that you could put a Kicker custom sub enclosure in, this is a perfectly matched amp for that subwoofer. That's the Kicker Key line of OEM integration amplifiers and line output converters. I think installers are really going to like these, even do-it-yourselfers that are willing to get in there and give it a try. These things will make your lives a lot easier and get you great sound as an end result. I'm JR at CES 2020 here in the Kicker booth. Thanks for watching.